Hi everybody, Chef Jacobsen Valentine here. I'm so excited that you signed up for our summer programming. I want to make sure you have 5 tips before you actually start cooking at home. Tip number 1, have an adult present. It is super important that you have an adult present when you're turning on your oven or your stove. That way you're not starting any accidental fires and you're doing everything properly. Always have an adult present. Tip number 2, mise en place. Have everything portioned out, measured, ready to go, so when we're cooking, you're cooking along with us and you don't have to measure everything out. It is super important and it makes things a lot easier for you. Tip number 3, always assume things are hot. So always have a towel or an oven mitt in your hand whenever you're touching a pan or a pot, anything that can be hot, always assume that it's hot. Tip number 4, always clean as you go. Make sure you're using some kind of cleaning agent to clean your areas, especially when working with chicken, meats, or seafood. Things you can use to actually sanitize your area: lemon juice. You can also use vinegar. You can also use bleach. Make sure your area is nice and clean and sanitized. A tidy station makes things a lot easier. Tip number 5, take your time. It is super important that no matter what you're doing, you are taking your time. We're not here to rush you. If for any reason you have to pause, but do not rush in anything you're doing. When you rush, there is a chance of injury and we don't want that. So please take your time. And these are our 5 tips. I'm super excited you signed up for our summer program. I look forward to teaching you online, and make sure you follow us on Instagram at Feed the Mass so we know what you're doing and you're taking pictures and you're sharing with everybody. Have a wonderful summer, guys. Talk to you soon.